Hey, Travis here from Social Marketing Doctor, and I'm going to show you the $33,000 email. That's right, we sent out an email this summer that earned my client over $33,000. And you can see the stats here. This is looking on their CRM, over $33,000. We sent it to 7,600 people, okay? And so first, let me show you the email that most of you are sending out that doesn't work for you. Okay. This is what everybody thinks they should do. This is when you're using your MailChimp, your CRM, any email marketing or CRM software. They have all of these newsletters in there. Okay. First of all, you don't want images. Okay. Look at this. Look at all these images. That gets in spam traps. If you're not going to read this email, nobody else is. Now let's look at the subject. Okay, this is something during fall. Don't let fall breeze catch you unprepared. Oh, wow. Okay. And then look at all the text here. Nobody is going to read this. Nobody has the time. Nobody wants to take the time. If this gets past the spam filters, nobody's going to read this. Okay. So now let's get to the email that is going to make you thousands and thousands of dollars. Okay. This is how simple it is. Okay. Now, I would prefer emails with no images in them. Okay. We want to go past all the spam filters. We just want some bullet points, a couple lines of text, and that's it. We just want to capture them. We want to get them to reply to us. Okay. So let's look at the subject line first here. Cool down your home with an AC tune up. So we sent this out during summer. Everybody wants a cool home. Cool down your home with an AC tune up. What is that? They click on it. Cool down your home. Yep, I want to cool down my home. And look at this first line of text here. Call our phone number to tune up your HVAC. This is a click to call number right here. Okay, this link is click to call. 90% of people use their cell phones now to look at their emails. So you want to make it really simple. So when somebody gets this email, they call you and they book the appointment. That is the main thing with email. You want them to open it, you want to capture them, and you want to set the appointment so your sales guys can get in front of them. Okay. Next, below that, you could see the actual coupon that we have here. HVAC summer tune up, $29.95. And then we reiterate our offer down here. Call today to schedule your HVAC tune up. Okay. So now you're probably asking, how the heck did a $29.95 service offer get $33,000? Well, like I said, we got our salespeople into the homes. We got them in front of our customers. We performed a service and then we upsold them. Okay. That's what you have to do. The email is, first of all, you got to get the email to them. You got to get them open it. You got to get them click to call you. So this way your salespeople can get in front of them and sell them. That's how simple it is. Keep it simple. No more newsletters, no more current events, no more what's going around in your community. You just want a quick call to action. Okay. I hope this works for you guys. Reach out to me so we can make your email marketing work and make you a lot more money with your online marketing. Good luck out there.